Hi guys, welcome to Sporaria channel. In this video, I'll share to you guys how to recover Google account that forgot the password. So let's get started. First step, to recover your Google account, you can open the Google apps on your phone. And then you can click the top on the right, which is sign in. After that, you enter the Google account that will be recovered. For example, I'll log my Gmail account, and after that, click next at the blue button. After that, enter the password you've ever used. But if it's really blank, you just have to choose forgot password. And the next, you are asked to enter the last remembered password. But don't worry if you don't remember at all. Just click try another way. Next, to recover our account, we will be given a verification code by Google via the phone number registered in the Google account. So make sure the phone number that has been registered in the Google account must be active and can receive messages. Click text if you want to receive by message and call if you want to receive by call. But I prefer use text. After that, usually in a few seconds, we will receive a code like that. This is as a verification that we will recover the Google account. Then enter the number, that's 6 digits, and click next. Finally, you can change the password from the Google account earlier. Enter the new password in the column above and confirm it in the column below. And click Save Password and your account will be back. So guys, just a little tutorial how to recover Google account. See you on the next video and good luck.